Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to request refund replacement MoneyGram money order. So to get started with a step-by-step guide on how to request a refund or replacement for a MoneyGram money order. So the first thing to do, which is your first step, is to get your money order receipt. You will need the original purchase receipt. This has the tracking number and is essential for a refund or replacement. Then once that is done, download and file out the claim form. So go to the official MoneyGram claim form page, which is www.moneygram.com/mgo/usen help/money order. Then download the money order claim card and fill out completely. So this actually include your names and address, your money order serial number, the dollar amount, the date of purchase, then reason for the refund or replacement. So attach a copy of your receipt, include a photocopy or scan of your original receipt. So if you lost the receipt, MoneyGram may still process your claim, but it will take longer and may require more verification. So include the process fee. As of 2025, MoneyGram charge a non-refundable $25 process fee. So you can pay by money order, personal check, cashier's check, which is payable to MoneyGram International. Mail everything to the correct address and send the completed form, receipt copy, and fee to MoneyGram International, which is the money order department, together with their PO box and their Denver. And that's it. So wait for processing. It can take up to 30 to 65 days to process your request, and if the money order has been cashed, you will get a refund or replacement. So if it has already been cashed, they will send you a copy of the cashed item. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. And that's it.